In this video, we're going to learn how to set up your Google Gemini to be the most effective personal assistant. Look for the Gemini app on your phone. Once in, click on your profile picture on the top right corner. Scroll down, and we're going to go one by one and make the necessary changes here. The first one is instructions for Gemini. This basically gives instructions to Gemini based on your life and preferences. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to ask it to make things pretty simple and clear for me since I'm a 57-year-old, and also use analogies wherever possible to make things clear. The other thing that I want Gemini to know is that I'm colorblind. Then go ahead and hit save. This extra context helps Gemini as it responds to your queries. Next up, let's look at the apps setting. Click on apps. What this does is it connects Gemini to be able to read information from some of your other apps for maximum productivity. I would go ahead and turn on Google Workspace, toggle it on, and it will have access to your Google Drive, your Gmail, your calendar, Google Docs, Google Keep, which is your list creator as well as tasks. And turn on messages so that it can send text messages on your behalf. Click on the phone icon as well, so you give it permission to make phone calls on your behalf, as well as WhatsApp calls and messages. I have also gone ahead and turned on my Google Home, where I control my home lights and fans through Wi-Fi switches. And then I also go ahead and check the utilities button because that helps me set alarms as well as read notifications, which is very important. In terms of media, I have a YouTube account, so I like to play my media on that. So go ahead and check the one that you have. And I think that's enough for me. Next up, click on Settings and choose Caption Preferences. Once in, toggle Show Captions, and then you can put the caption size as large or extra large or very large. And then I like a high contrast caption style. That way, it's easy for me to see it. Hit the back button. Next up, we have, let's look at languages. Tap on that. My main language is English, US, and I also would like to add a second language. I'm going to look for Tamil. There you go. I'm going to click on that, and Gemini will also be able to speak to me in Tamil. Hit the back button. Next up, click on Hey Google and Voice Match. I have already set up my voice match here, but if this is the first time you're using Gemini, it will take you through the instructions on how to record your voice so that it identifies your voice. So go ahead and do that. Select Gemini on lock screen. This allows you to use Gemini even when your phone is locked and get answers to quick questions. I would keep the make calls and send messages without unlocking off so that you're not messaging someone inadvertently. Hit the back button, and last but not the least, scroll all the way down to Digital Assistants from Google. Click Gemini. If this was helpful, like, subscribe, and share with a friend, and join us, the Everyday Navigators.